In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a game pass in Roblox Studio that gives a player a tool or item automatically when they purchase it. First, make sure your Explorer is open by just clicking on Explorer like so, and also make sure your Properties tab is visible by clicking on Properties. These panels are essential because they allow you to see all objects in your game and adjust their properties easily. Next, go to Server Script Service in Explorer and just click on the plus icon and just click on Script, and you will land in this interface. And once the script is added, remove all the default code inside it by just pressing Ctrl A and hitting a backspace key. So we have a clean slate. Then just paste this code exactly. You can also write your own code, but I'm just gonna write it exactly like so. And once I have pasted my code here, this script will handle giving players the item when they purchase the Game Pass. Now, it's time to create the Game Pass itself. Just go to any browser or open your Roblox. I'm just gonna go with browser and search for Roblox and sign in with my ID. And after signing in with my ID, I will just go to the create tab like so. And after creating, I'll just go to my experience. So I'll just click on my experience. And once that my experience is open, I'll just go to the monetization. So here it is. So from here, just click on the drop down for monetization like so and go to passes. Just click on pass and scroll down, and as you can see, I have not created any pass. So we're just gonna go ahead and create a pass. On this screen, you will upload an image for your game pass. This image will represent your game pass in Roblox store. So if no image is provided, a default image will be used. So the format that it is accepted here are JPEG, PNG and BMP. Next, give your game pass a name. So in this tutorial, I'm just gonna go with a sword, but you can choose any name that you like. So after renaming, you can also add a description if you want, but that is optional. And once that is done, just click on create pass. And as you can see, our pass has been successfully created. And once that the pass is created, I will just click on my pass that we created and just go to sales at the left hand side. Make sure item for sale is toggled on and you must set a price. For this tutorial, I'm gonna be using 3 Robux. Don't forget to click on save changes after that. You can also enable regional pricing. So Roblox will automatically adjust prices based on the user's country or region, ensuring that they never exceed your default price or go below 30% of it. So I will suggest toggling it on, and after that just click on save changes. Just click on proceed, and now our sale is now active. So when we go back to passes, you will see our regional pricing is enabled, and after enabling it, you will see your pass ID. So now just go ahead and click on the 3 dot. After that, just click on copy pass ID. This ID will be used in your script to link it to the game pass. Now return to Roblox Studio and open the script. Now in the script, replace the previous game ID by just selecting it like so, by just deleting it, and paste the ID that we copied by pressing Ctrl V on your keyboard like so. This ensures that script will recognize your newly created pass. Now we need the item or tool that the player will receive. Now let's just go to our place one, and for the sake of tutorial, I'm using an item from toolbox, but if you want, you can insert any of the items into your game. So I'll just go ahead and search for a simple sword. So let's say I want to add this particular sword. I'll just click on it and you will see this option. When asked whether to place it in the starter pack, select no. This way, only players who purchase the Game Pass will receive them. And after clicking on no, you will see it will be successfully added. Now, locate the tool in the Explorer panel. And as you can see, this is our tool. So while it is selected, just go to the Properties tab and just click on Parent like so. And once that the parent is selected, set it to the script that you created. So here is the script, so I'll just click on it and you will see under script the classic sword has been successfully added. And after that, just go to your script and just replace your tool name with your tool name by just deleting it, and make sure the spelling is exact. In my case is classical, it's classic, sorry, sword. Now after you have configured the settings, just click on play. Just wait for it to load. And now when you load into your game, any player who owns the game will automatically receive the tool, which is here like so. But players who have not purchased it will not see the item, ensuring is properly restricted. And that's it. You now know how to make a game pass in Roblox Studio that automatically gives a tool or items to player. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.